Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, you beautiful souls. How the devil are you? We are currently on the A404, nearly about to cross the River Thames, or Thames. Thames, Luke. Thames. You call it Thames, but it's Thames. Anywho, we've just got a load in out of Reading. I don't know what you're thinking. Well, you don't know what you're thinking yet, so I told you where we're going. We're going to Birmingham, into the centre of Birmingham as well. Yeah, that's annoying. Yes, we're heading into the centre of Birmingham. I don't know what you're thinking. Damn, why didn't you just go over the A34? Never underestimate my hatred for that road. Do never ever underestimate my hatred for that road. Plus, they have decided in their infinite wisdom that the M4 needs more SOS bays, so between junction 10 and junction 12, roadworks which are cocking everything up. So, yeah, vote for me in the next general election. I will remove all roadworks. I'll let the roads go to hell, but at least you can still keep moving. That is the policy of the DPRSK, Diplomatic People's Republic of St. K. So yeah. Oh, I hate the A34. Sometimes I see Lily on the A34, which is nice. She's up and down that road all the time. But apart from that, burn it. We don't need it. We get on well enough without it. Yeah. Nice easy morning thus far. We got loaded out of Reading this morning. Living back. I don't know what we're doing next, if anything at all. We might be going someplace else. We might be doing a backload. We might be just coming back empty. I don't know. Don't know a lot these days. Yeah, but as I said in a previous video, we've sort of gone back to the phone call after each job situation, just because all the jobs are so fluid at the moment. You know, it's basically a case of whoever gets done first in one place can go do another job and stuff like that. That camera's really getting on my nerves. Actually, no, it's died. Oh dear. So yeah, not too bad a day. It's currently Wednesday, day of recording, Wednesday the 5th of June. It was 5 degrees this morning when I got in the car. I actually went home last night. Yeah. 5 degrees. I got out without my fleece on because it's been warm in the mornings, and then I quickly done an about face and grabbed my fleece because yeah, that was chilly this morning. I don't know why. Anywho, we're about to get on the M40. About 2 hours left. Let's go do a thing. Well, I do believe that we might already be here. Not too far in, actually. Right, you go. You go. Ah, I hate you. You're not the smartest of people around here. Right, where to from here now then? See now then. See the nose. Straight on? We'll go straight on. Birmingham, you pay attention wherever you go, but I pay attention more in London than I do in Birmingham, sorry, than I do in London. I hold no bloody prisoners when it comes here. Because yeah, it is, see what I mean? Never any prisoners taken here. Just take your time and keep your wits about it. Used to deliver in there quite a bit. So we're turning left after the railway lines, I do believe. That makes sense. Hold up both lanes. Nice. Ah, I love causing havoc. Oh. Kind of want to be down there. Sugar honey iced tea. If that van weren't parked there, we'd be laughing, but yeah, not a hope in hell of making that bloody turning. Sugar. Oh, we've got a bit of a go around, I guess. So we've got to be on the other side of that street. Can I turn right down here? Yes, I can. Let's see what's down here. You go on me, old son. Looks like a two-way street to me. Come on. I could do with a nice little delivery in the countryside somewhere, if I'm perfectly honest with you. I've done a lot of city centre stuff recently. And yeah, it would be nice. I can't go down there. Or can I? Restricted parking zone. No, I can go down there. But you were not the cleverest of people, was you? So I'm going to have to let you go. Reverse back. Let somebody walk behind the bleeding truck. Yeah, I'm going to go down there, screw it. Why the hell not? It's a one-way street and I'm heading the right way. That's where I need to be, is in there. Hi, Vay. Best of work that'll be through that road closure. And yeah, parking down there is screwed as well. I need to be down there. What to do, what to do. Obviously I mean driving down the street the wrong way. I can't go that way. That's a parking suspension. Bugger. I'm guessing that's going to be the site, isn't it? Yeah, it is, yeah. Right, okay, cool. We're going to have to block the road off, I guess. No one stood there, annoyingly. Yeah. You know what? I'll block that road off. Screw it, why not? And that van, instantly, van coming up behind me. You couldn't write that, could you? I'm just going to walk up here for a minute. Just for a minute. I know there's gates there, but... Right. Oh, wait a minute. He's naffed off. Brilliant. Alright, I'm going to reverse down that road. Ah, Birmingham. Isn't it just the best? But if that van went past in the corner, we'd be laughing. So I'm on my street, so I need to look in that mirror. I think I'm sweet. Burst down here and it'll definitely get the attention of somebody. That shadow over there. I'm assuming I need to be in that pit lane. if only there was somebody here. Yeah, so there's a massive hoist in the way there. Yeah, I don't know how on earth I'm meant to offload with them off it here. Oh. I need to be in there, but there's nobody here. Where is somebody? Where is somebody? Nobody. Oh well, I'm gonna try and get hold of somebody. So I'm going to give you guys a bit of truth. Yeah, I was struggling to find someone to let me in and stuff like that. He was asleep. Bless him. Got chatting to the poor banksman and yeah, he's basically moonlighting. Bless him. It's a sign of the times though, isn't it? Everyone's got to try and make their money. Yeah, don't envy that. And now we've got to try and get back out of here. I get the feeling this is going to be a bit of a job. And fair play to those lads, they're having to drag that all the way back round to essentially the A38. All the way back down where we were. And oh, don't park there. There's a car just parked right there. Guessing you guys don't want to listen to Luke Coons. You're all weirdos like me. There's a car that's now decided to just park there. Go on, give us some, chaps. Go on. Go on, they're basically trying to pull a crate up this hill. No, she stopped. Okay, I think I'm stuck here. I thought we were about to get out. No, there's an elderly lady across. See, this is why I don't like coming to Birmingham. It's strange. Full of very strange people. I've got to go quite far back to clear that hoarding. Oh, they've got the crate up now. Anyway, brilliant. Right, we can crack on with our day. Beaconage, stop morons. Just walk in front, you know, behind a reversing lorry. And it's not like I've got loads of beepers and stuff. You know what I mean? Oh, that's why I love having a reversing camera. I can reverse straight to the edge of that street and get all the room that I need. Yeah, that was nearly a nightmare of a job, but we got through it. Well, now I need to work out how you get your ass back out of here now then. Is it going to be easier for me to go all the way up? I have to turn around somewhere. There's a car not parked there. No, let's not be clever. Let's go the easy way. The good way. The Sam way. Sam likes the easy way. Oh dear. Honestly, I just missed coming to Nottingham on the Lash. I haven't been to Nottingham on the, Nottingham, Birmingham. I forgot where I was then. On the Lash for ages. We used to come to Uproar nights. Scott will know what I'm on about. Yeah, and there you go. See, again, this is Birmingham. I'm driving up in a big truck. They want to move out of the way? Nah, I've got to move out of their way. No left turn, no right turn, straight on only. Cool, so I guess we'll keep going. We just keep going. Well done, hippie, for using a bit of nous. Oh. I don't know what I'm indicating, it's a right hand turn only, but oh well. Alright, let's see if we can turn left here. Oh, look at that, we can. Beautiful. Living the dream out, kid, and you're trying to turn left in the middle of a bus lane. And there's the camera right there. You've just been done. Oh, let's be fair, is that actually the plates that's meant to be on that vehicle? I don't know, it's Birmingham. Come on. Come on, people. Yeah, they want me to drive them off it on this road. I was like, you know what, I'm up for a lot of, you know, shady things, you know what I mean? You know, I don't mind having a crack, see what they gave. You know what I mean? You know, I will try anything. Ask me ex-boyfriend. But I'm not driving a Moffat on a slip road to the A38. No way, Jose. Not happening. I'm not doing that. That is not a feature of my life. To be fair, there was no argument. They were like, yeah, we thought we were cheeky by asking. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to fight my way back out of here. Get out of this city. Oh, that's fun for a night out. Not fun to work. Or live. Or visit. Yeah. So you see the other side of the road just there? What are you beeping for? Oh well. Yeah, that's where they want me to drive them off it. Oh well. Oh, she thought I was just going to come through into her lane. Yee. Oh dear. I mean, Birmingham's fun in the fact that it's a challenge. But would I want to come in there every day? No. Birmingham, London, not a problem. Not a problem. Birmingham, no. Every odd time's alright for me. Yeah. I mean, I've driven into city centres all over Europe. Obviously in previous lives, a couple of times in a truck. But I don't get nervous. Birmingham, I get nervous. Go figure. We need diesel. Well, not really. 1 bar over 4 of a tank, but I don't like letting it get too low. And at the moment, we're using key fuels only, unless in desperation. Money. Not that the company's doing badly, it's just the fact that key fuels is the cheapest, so the company can continue doing well. But yeah, I'm pulling off at Sherwell Valley because key fuels. And technically, when you fill up with key fuels out of an Esso, you shouldn't get your nectar points. But here, for some reason, they'll let you have your nectar points. That is a Sam K top tip right there. Because our other cards are Esso cards, but they're just too pricey. Yeah, you see a person driving with their high vis on, you just know that you're going to be waiting forever. Another one with his high vis on. You're not wearing your high vis, but you're also cutting the corner, so you're a hell driver. You'll always call, I'll let you off. 2 cars. Come on, after the smart car, after the smart car, after the smart car. Let's go! I said, let's go! Get. Oh dear. So yeah, we have SO cards, but we try not to use those at the moment. And with SO cards, you get, you know, next points wherever you go. Red light. So yeah, that's why we're using Sherwell Valley. And that's the only reason, because let's face it, anybody who's ever been to Sherwell Valley will know that the staff are so checked out, so inbred, that yeah, it's not a fun place to go, and the toilets stink. Move forward, Carlsberg. Rolling back into me. Oh. Continue. Sorry about that. There's Buns Fabber trying to ring. Oh dear, I don't know what took so long to get out of that, but a little bit. Oh dear. But yeah, hopefully it's not too busy. It'll be quite busy in here. I'm guessing because of the nectar points. But when I realised that you can pay for stuff on eBay with nectar points, oh my god. That opened the floodgates. In fact, all my cleaning gear has been paid for with nectar points, so it gets paid back to the company, I guess. And I own a lot of cleaning gear. Stay there. Tell you what, this piece of camera that I'm trying to do is not going very well, is it? But we might be going to Fatcham now, or we might be going back to the yard. I don't know. Ooh, there is a space. Love it. Alright, what's your guessings on how many litres? Put it in the comments. How many litres do you reckon? Don't watch ahead and find out. What do you reckon? Lovely. Right. Hand him my card. Get filled up. Right. Don't ask me how many litres it was, because I don't know. I haven't checked the receipt. I've been in there for 40 minutes. The pump was that damn slow. And I still didn't get a full tank. Yeah. Oh well. But yeah. I gave up in the end. 40 minutes. 40 bloody minutes of my life I'm never getting back. Oh well, we move on with our lives. We move on with our lives. But we've got our work through for the rest of the day. Guess what? It's stuff I can't record. Oh well. Oh yeah, just had a lovely chat with a bulk transfer driver. How you doing? Didn't get your name. But yeah, stuff I can't record. So it's been another one drop wonder. These are getting annoying. Very annoying. I will know for the rest of the week, so no more recording for the rest of the week. So this is this week's video you're getting. Sorry. Oh yeah. But anyway, I'm going to leave things here, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay well.